Are you a skilled mechanic with a passion for agriculture?
I'm Phil. I'm a technician at Bane-Welker equipment. This job isn't just about fixing equipment day in and day out. It's also about building a relationship with your customers. You get to spend every day helping the farmers keep their operations going efficiently and effectively.
So, normal day as a technician, we come in, we would get our assignments, get our parts, drive to the machine's location, tear it apart, fix it. Customers there, let him know what we did, let him know it's good to go. Come back, fill out your paperwork, get the next job, and get it with.
We offer competitive pay, a comprehensive benefits package, and a supportive team environment where you can grow.